Okay, today we continue working with this Zyrex laptop. I will show you how to modify the power button. I use tactile switch to use to make modify switch, yeah, because the switch from the keyboard is shorted, so we must create another switch, and then we cover the power line of the on off button on the keyboard, so the keyboard cannot the power on off from the keyboard cannot be used again, eh? See, I must find the tactile switch that properly proper to this modification, eh? I need the long switch, eh? This one, eh? I found it. One. Okay. Maybe I put it here, eh? Yeah, I put it here because this is a hole, so I will make a hole with the plastic thingy, and then after I make hole, I will uh, took this switch here, and after that, the switch will come here, eh? Here, yeah, here, yeah. This plastic, yeah. Okay, okay. I will make a hole. I stop the video first, and after the hole is made, I will continue to record this video. Yeah. Okay. I have been modified the power button. Maybe you can see here. This is the power button. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. This is the power button. Yeah. And the purple wire is the positive 3.2 up from the uh, power to the supply power for, yeah, for keyboard, yeah, here, yeah. In this case, this is in the pin number 3, but in another case, yeah, you must find the voltage the use used by power button. Okay, now time to test, yeah. Switch on the power button. Yeah, yeah, the power button working perfectly. Yeah. The laptop loading the Windows. Yeah. So if you have a problem like this, you can duplicate my way to solve your problem, because this is it can save your money if you use if you replace all of the keyboard. Of course, maybe you can you spend more money, yeah? But with this trick you can save your money, because in this case the problem only in the power button. The other key from the keyboard It's working perfectly. Yeah, let's shut down the windows. Okay, wait for the windows totally off. Check. You see, it is not turning off. Okay, because the LED is still on and the LED is off. Let's switch on again. Yeah, the laptop is turning on and we have picture. So the power button working great. Okay. Okay, I stop the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. See you in the next. Yeah.